Hello, this is James again from Denmark. Today we are going to deliver a 500 watts pulse laser source laser cleaning machine, this one. And you can see, take a close look. We can see the touch screen. You can see the parameters. So we can input 500 watts and the laser parameters. This is the frequency. And here are 10 scanning modes. You can see scanning modes 10. This is last one. So here is our compact laser cleaning head, and is the latest one, and you can just hold with one hand, and when you put away, you can just hold it, so it's easy to put away, and it's very light, only 2 kilograms. Okay, so it has 2 axis diagram, and I will just ask our engineer to clean these car parts. Yes, we'll just do the cleaning test. Okay.
这是254的场机呢，你要找一下焦点，我感觉你焦点是你没找到。对，你开始焦点，我总感觉没怎么找到。
Okay. So for area around 0.01 square meters, it need around less than 1 minute time to clean. And for car, normally 10 square meters is around need 15 to 16 hours to clean the paint. Now let's compare 500 watts and 200 watts cleaning the rust. Now let's compare 500 watts and 200 watts cleaning the paint on the car.
OK。Thank you for your time. If you need more information, please contact us.